animal kingdom. To determine who is the fastest animal, the 12 Zodiac animals decided to hold a grand race. The race would take place on the wide grasslands deep in the forest, attracting many animals to participate. Mouse, small and clever. Cow, strong with a determined look. Tiger, mighty and brave. Rabbit, agile with bright eyes. Dragon, majestic with immense power. Snake, agile with a cunning gaze. Horse, agile and swift. Sheep, gentle and friendly with soft wool. Monkey, lively and mischievous. Rooster, resilient with magnificent feathers. Dog, loyal and energetic. Pig, gentle and adorable, always with a happy smile. The day of the race arrived, and all the animals gathered at the starting line. They were eager and ready to go. The clever little mouse, small and quick-witted, stood at the front, swiftly preparing to start, while the sturdy ox stood behind the mouse, with a determined look on its face, ready to face the challenge. Finally, as the race neared its end, everyone saw the hope of the finish line. In the end, the little mouse rode on the back of the ox and crossed the finish line with outstanding performance, becoming the champion. This race was not only a competition, but also a story of friendship and teamwork. All the animals completed the race together and learned a lot from it. In this race, the animals learned the importance of friendship, effort, and perseverance. They understood the need to help each other in the face of difficulties and to persistently pursue their goals. Most importantly, they gained friendship and growth through the race. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Good night and sweet dreams.